Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete duplicate files on your Google Photos app, so let's get right into it. For this method, you will need the Google Files app, so make sure you download it to your device before starting, but once you've downloaded it, let's get right into it. Firstly, of course, you need to enter the app, and once you're in the app, you have the option to click the clean button, and that is what you need to do. It is at the bottom of your screen. The leftmost option is the clean button, so you just need to click that, and from there, you just need to go and click select files. You can find the duplicate files tile and tap select files, and from there you can just select the duplicates you want to delete, and it looks something like this. You just select it by checking them off at the far right of the overview, and there, once you've selected everything, by the way, Google will mark all additional or all original files as original, so you can delete whatever whatever appears in the screen, since it is a duplicate 100%. And then once you've selected everything, you just tap move to trash, and that is pretty much it. After that, all your duplicates will be deleted. You can go and manually delete everything, however, that is very time consuming. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I would also advise you to turn off your backup. If you have any duplicate files in your gallery, they will be backed up, and you will need to repeat this process again, but that is completely up to you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.